आपको टाइगर दिखा क्या?
ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಸೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
ಏನು ಸಿಗಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಕತೆ ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ.
Bro, no pugmark also.
And what does it make K Gudi so special?
K Gudi is one of the properties of Jungle Lodges and Resorts. Jungle Lodges and Resorts is a government organization which is run by Government of Karnataka. We have 26 resorts across Karnataka. In that, K Gudi Wildlife Camp is one amongst them.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಣಿವೆ ಅಂದರೆ 4 ಭಾಗ ಸೇರಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ, ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಲೆಗೊಂಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ದೇವರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಣಿವೆ ಒಡೆಯ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಕಣಿವೆ ಒಡೆಯ ಆ ಕಣಿವೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಡೆಯ ದೇವರು ಖ್ಯಾತೇಶ್ವರ.
Dreams become a reality when passion and persistence meet. While most of the city sleeps, the road is already calling. Today's destination for Call of the Jungle is a forest rich in the western Ghats of Karnataka. Is a place the locals call K Gudi or Kyata Devarayana Gudi. Between 3,000 and 6,000 feet, the climate of a tranquil hill station meets the raw, untamed energy of a jungle. This isn't a destination, it's a living, breathing wilderness, home to the elusive tiger and a silent leopard. K Gudi is a theatre of the wild. Over 250 species of birds provide that soundtrack here, their songs echoing across the landscape shared by the giants. At K Gudi Wilderness Camp, the boundaries between man and nature vanish. Operated by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, the stay is rustic, authentic, and purposefully unfenced. Our stay for the last 6 months was hosted by Jungle Lodges and Resorts, Karnataka. The property provides immersive wildlife experiences including jeep safari, bird watching, and guided nature walks. For 6 long months, we've been chasing a shadow, a tiger, not just any tiger, a ghost of this forest. No clear sightings, no proper tracks, just stories, distant roars, and a feeling that something powerful is watching us. Today, we are back again. Same forest, same mission. But this time, we are not leaving until we find it. Our first sighting was the Indian gaur, standing right in the middle of the track, a giant of the jungle, the largest wild cattle species on earth. And the one that you're looking at right now is a massive adult male. Just look at the size of him. Towering shoulders, thick muscular body, and those powerfully curved horns pointing straight towards the sky. This isn't any animal crossing the forest road. This is a true heavyweight of the Indian wilderness. The Biligiri Rangana Hills is a unique ecological bridge between the western and eastern Ghats, harboring over 800 plant species within a mosaic of habitats. The vegetation ranges from dry scrub to evergreen shola forest, rich in medicinal plants, rare orchids, and endemic species.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೈತಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್, ಅದು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು 20-25 ಸಾವಿರ ಮೇಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಐತೆ ಸ್ಪೀಸಸ್. ಅದು
ಈಗ ಇದು ಒಣಗೋಗಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಈ ಮರ ಐತಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಮರದ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕದೊಂದು, ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಗಿಡ ತರ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್
ಬರ್ತದೆ,
ಅದೈತಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ಒಂದು 25,000 ಮೇಲ್ ಐತೆ ಅದು ಸ್ಪೀಸಸ್. ಅದು ಆರ್ಕಿಡ್ದು
As we move along, we spot another herbivore, a male stag, sambar deer, timidly approaching the safari track. The males can weigh up to 550 kgs and are a favorite meal of the Royal Bengal tiger. Sambars are famous for emitting loud, repeated alarm barks or alarm calls when threatened or disturbed. However, today, fate had a different story to say. A young sambar fawn was hunted down by the Indian dhole or the whistling hunters. Look closely as a pack tears into the sambar fawn where there's still signs of life. Such is a gruesome reality of nature. Yet, that's the survival instinct they have. Seeing a pack like this walking confidently along the forest track is something truly special. So what it does is, it claw the tree, hold the claw to the tree and just sharpen the claws. So two things. One, the claws will get clean, okay, and nice and sharp. Second thing is, other tiger will not come into this territory. We'll look at that and say, okay, he or she is very powerful, and that sheer shows the sheer size of the tiger. Despite so many signs and pug marks, we are yet to spot the elusive Royal Bengal tiger. And here we have our guides exchanging information on any pug marks or any trails that could give us the possibility to head in the right direction. Our next sighting is a massive male tusker elephant. He is completely relaxed, enjoying a long cooling bath. And when the elephant decides it's bath time, it's not a quick tip. Using the incredible trunk like a shower hose, watch closely as he sucks liters of water and sprays it all over the body. Movements like this show a different side of the giants. Not the powerful force that can push down trees, but a calm, playful animal simply enjoying a quiet afternoon in the wild. The game drive was full of activity, lot of flora and fauna. Yet, we are still on our hunt for the elusive Royal Bengal tiger. High above the forest floors, hidden among the tall trees, a silent hunter awaits. Powerful eyes scanning every movement below, every rustle in the leaf, every careless step. And then, in a split second, the attack happens. This is the Leghese hawk eagle, one of the powerful forest raptors found in the Western Ghats and parts of South India. With broad wings, strong talons, and incredible precision, it's perfectly built for hunting in the dense jungle. And today, it has made a successful kill. In its powerful grip is a bonnet macaque. Now, this might sound surprising to many, but birds of prey like the Leghese hawk eagle are capable of taking down surprisingly large prey. We were lucky to witness a large, colorful, tree-dwelling rodent, the Indian giant squirrel or the Malabar giant squirrel. Known for its impressive size, its vibrant maroon, black and orange fur, and it can leap up to 6 meters between trees. They are almost entirely tree dwellers, rarely descend to the ground, preferring the high canopy. They build multiple large globe-shaped nests out of twigs and leaves, using them for sleeping and nursing their young. They are primarily herbivores, feeding on fruits, nuts, barks, flowers, but occasionally may also consume some insects. Barking deer or muntjacs are small solitary deer native to South and Southeast Asia, known for emitting dog-like barking calls when they are alarmed. They are among the oldest known deer species, appearing 15 to 35 million years ago. Males possess both small antlers and a large tusk-like canine teeth for defense. They have a distinct V-shaped dark marking on their faces and bony ridges, earning them the nickname rib-faced deer.
BRT Tiger Reserve totally 574 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಥರ ವೆಜಿಟೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್. ಬೇರೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ 2 ಥರ 3 ಥರ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಥರ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಕ್ರಬ್, ಡ್ರೈ ಡೆಸಿಡಿಯಸ್, ಮಾಯ್ಸ್, ಸೆಮಿ ಎವರ್ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಎವರ್ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಶೋಲಾ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಕೆ ಗುಡಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮಿಕ್ಸರ್, ಡ್ರೈ ಡೆಸಿಡಿಯಸ್, ಮಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎರಡೂ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮ್ಮರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಸೆಕೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ಲೋರಾನ್ ಫನ್ನ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, ಏಸಿಯಾಟಿಕ್ ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ 619 ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅಂದಾಜಿದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ 4 ಥರ ಡಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ಪಾಟೆಡ್ ಡಿಯರ್, ಸಾಂಬಾರ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬಾರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೌಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ. ಮೌಸ್ ಡಿಯರ್ ಟೋಟಲಿ ನಾಕ್ಟರ್ನಲ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್, ನೈಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಮೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರೆಡಿಟರ್ ಇದೆ: ಟೈಗರ್, ಲೆಪರ್ಡ್, ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್. ಅಕಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಮ್ರಾ ಟ್ರಾಪ್ ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ 42 tigers, 40+ tigers ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 72 leopards ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗುಡ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈಲ್ಡ್ ಡಾಗ್ಸ್. ಬಟ್ ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ಸ್ಲಾತ್ ಬೇರು ಆವಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಯಾರೇ ಬಂದ್ರೂ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರೋ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳ ಮನೆಗೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮಿಂದ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಿಂದ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು.
The Malabar whistling thrush, also known as the whistling schoolboy, is a dark blue bird endemic to the Western Ghats of India. Known for its remarkable human-like melodious whistles, heard mainly at dawn, it inhabits rocky streams and riverbeds in the dense forest. The air is cool, filled with distant calls of birds and a gentle hum of life returning after night. Perched on a sturdy branch above a quiet waterhole, the brownfish owl sits in calm stillness. Its moot-led feathers mirror the bark and dappled sunlight blending perfectly into the forest around it. Its eyes, deep amber, are no less intense in daylight. As we move slowly along the forest track, something caught our eye in the thick scrubs beside the road. At first, it looked like just another patch of dry grass and shadows. But then, stripes. Perfect orange and black stripes blending so perfectly with the forest that you could easily miss if you blinked. And suddenly, there he was. A tiger. After 6 months of searching, we finally found him. For a moment, nobody in the vehicle said a word. No one moved. We just stared. All those months of waiting, hoping, and coming back again and again led to this exact moment. The tiger was lying quietly in the scrub, calm and completely aware of our presence. Its golden eye watching, ears twitching slightly, but its body relaxed like he owned every inch of this forest. And honestly, he does. Just when everyone thought it was a one-time miracle, it happened again. The second tiger sighting, right here in BRT Tiger Reserve. But this time, things were different. A massive male tiger. He sees you. No fear, no hesitation. just awareness. And just like that, he is gone, swallowed again by the ferns, leaving behind only one question. Did you really see him, or did the forest just let you? If you felt that moment, hit like, subscribe, and stay wild. To experience such mesmerizing moments, reach out to us, Call of the Jungle, for all your needs in India, Africa, and Sri Lanka. Hope to see you again soon on our safaris.
Guru ko Guru kana, Guru Guru ko Guru kana.